I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After one day of sunshine, we begin a 4-day run of cloudy, cool, and unsettled weather for tomorrow through Saturday. Behind a cold front, highs drop from the mid and upper 50s today to mostly the 40s for tomorrow through Saturday. The approach of low pressure from the Four Corners results in occasional rain chances tomorrow through Friday. A rain-snow mix is likely to the south of Highway 2 and along and west of Highway 83 during the colder hours of tonight through Thursday morning. Snow accumulations of less than 2 inches are expected over southwest Nebraska, right near the Colorado border. Rain and a few non-severe thunderstorms are likely for Friday night through Saturday as the main area of low pressure moves through. From north to south, total liquid precipitation amounts through Saturday are expected to range between 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches. Sunday and Veterans Day are sunny with highs in the mid to upper 50s. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas continue to be on the western edge of warmer than normal temperatures Sunday through November 18th. Something to watch. Cooler than normal temperatures build even more over the western U.S. and get closer late next week through November 18th. Above normal rainfall is likely for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through November 18th, especially for central and eastern areas of Nebraska and Kansas late next week through the 18th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include numerous chances of rain for the central U.S. and mostly good conditions in South America. Low pressure currently tracking across the upper Midwest drifts northeastward and gradually weakens with rain along the trailing cold front diminishing in coverage and intensity across the eastern third of the U.S. A new storm intensifies over the central and southern plains late this week, reaches the upper Great Lakes late in the weekend. Additional rain, some of it heavy, is expected from the central and southern plains into the mid-south and upper Midwest. Another storm is likely to develop in the central U.S. the middle of next week. Across the plains and Midwest, weak conditions are likely to improve with the more active weather. Tropical storm Rafael becomes a hurricane before making landfall in western Cuba tomorrow and weakens as it enters the Gulf of Mexico. Mid to late week rainfall in the southeastern U.S. is expected to be enhanced by Rafael as tropical moisture is drawn northward. Central Brazil soybean planting is back on schedule with wet season rains continuing. Southern Brazil went through a brief dry period before the return of more waves of rain. Towards Argentina, favorable conditions continue for now with chances of rain through the weekend. A stretch of heat and dryness in Argentina from a building La Nina is a possible threat during the later crop season. For the eastern Black Sea region, wheat is going dormant, mostly in poor condition, as the region hopes for good precipitation during the winter to make up for moisture deficits over the fall. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.